Welcome back, everyone. I'm Derek.
I'm Vinay. We're going to show you how to make the perfect Bloody Mary using our Bombay Spice. Let's get into it. Our recipe is 2 ounces of vodka, 1 cup of V8 juice, and 1 teaspoon of our Bombay Spice mix. And then to your tastes, add Worcestershire sauce, pickle juice, Tabasco, salt and pepper, and then garnish with pickles, olives, celery, and of course, bacon. So our Bombay Spice mix is made with 13 warm and aromatic spices used throughout India and also in some of the most popular Indian dishes throughout the world. But it can also be used to spice up some of your favorite dishes, such as
Sauces, rub on fish, chicken, seafood, and steak.
So check it out.
We need a beginning thing, a middle yum yum, and then some catchphrase at the end.
Yeah. Check the links in the description on where to buy it directly. Also, if you send us your recipes and we use it on air, we will send you something special.
We are two bald guys.
Thanks very much.
Bye.
Yeah, just like that.
Cheers. Cheers.